Hey folks, this is Ronaldo from rentravelguide.com and you're watching AmsterdamVideo.com.
Good morning y'all, it's Friday. Time for the last work day of the week and then weekend. At 3 degrees centigrade, it's kind of cold outside and there's also no direct sunshine. Time to find out what the day has in store. Here's the intro.
Stars over Amsterdam.
With a customer repairing their computer. That looks perfectly fine to me. Lunch break and I got cheese rolls. Back at HQ with little Miss Chibi. Hi sweetheart. Hi cute stuff. Yes, hiya. Hiya. Hey, I'm over here. Yeah. Hey sweetheart. Yeah, cutie. Oh. Awesome doggy. And now it's time to watch some TV. And simply chillax, as tomorrow I will be going out.
Hollandse klassieker is niet kaas en jouw keuze aan groenten. Krijg een wauw-gevoel voor maar €2.
Subway, eat fresh.
I'm watching the eternal sunshine of the spotless mind.
I like what?
He's a boy, sir.
As it turns out, yes I am.
Chilling with Chibi.
Do I know you?
Yeah. Sweetheart.
It's me.
We tried to contact Colonel O'Neill, even sent someone to his house.
Do you understand how much trouble you're in right now? Impersonating a
Sweet
military
doggy.
officer is a federal offense.
Time for Stargate SG1. As yeah, it's Friday night. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you again tomorrow. Hey, cheerio.